Institute of Dance in association with Go Green initiative by Mickey Mehta along with your host and host Shivani Singh. So today we have someone who is internationally acclaimed as sand artist, who is also a TEDx speaker. He has done 7 TV shows, 4 films and has won 24 prestigious awards, over 1 million views online. He has performed with Sachin to Shah Rukh in over 1,000 plus live events worldwide. So let's welcome Rahul Arya.
Let's welcome Rahul Arya, the man who can tell the story of anything. He has made fans across the globe. As Tyrion Lannister said, what all humans like is a good story. From TV shows to Asian Games to Euro T20 League to Mirchi Music Awards, among several mega shows. With 1,200 plus live performances and 10 million plus views online, 7 TV reality shows and 3 films. With Rahul Arya being there, it's all about a good story. Let's welcome Rahul Arya!
सो हाय गाइस, मेरा नाम है राहुल आर्या एंड आप में से बहुत सारे लोगों ने मेरा सैंड आर्ट का काम देखा है एंड अप्रिशिएट किया. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट, स्पेशली माय सैंड आर्ट फॉर बॉलीवुड एंड द जर्नी ऑफ मिस्टर शाहरुख खान, सलमान, आमिर एंड द जर्नी ऑफ हॉलीवुड. थैंक यू सो मच इवेंचुअली फॉर दैट. आप सब लोगों ने बहुत प्यार दिया है फॉर माय सैंड आर्ट एंड माय न्यू एक्सपेरिमेंट्स. सो आई एम गोना आंसर ऑल द क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आई रिसीव्ड एंड लेट्स सी हाउ मेनी आई वुड बी एबल टू जस्टिफाई.
So let's start our interview questions with Rahul Arya. So Rahul, my first question to you is, how was your life before coming into this profession?
Okay, first of all, let me acknowledge this word profession. क्योंकि जब मैंने शुरुआत करी थी तब आर्ट को शुरू से हमारी सोसाइटी में हॉबी ही कहा जाता था. प्रोफेशन तक आने के लिए ऑलमोस्ट 10 साल का जर्नी लगा है मेरा और मेरे फेलो आर्टिस्ट और भी कंटेम्प्रेरीज का. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ग्रेट अचीवमेंट कि आप इसको प्रोफेशन मान सकते हैं. गाइज, अगर आप आर्टिस्ट हैं या आपके घर में कोई सिबलिंग्स आर्टिस्ट है तो दैट कैन बी अ प्रोफेशन. That's a good sign. Okay, so now answering to the question, what was I doing before? So basically मैं एक computer engineer हूँ. So I was pursuing my engineering so that I could somewhat satisfy my family and the society कि मैं ये भी कर सकता हूँ और मैं ये भी कर सकता हूँ. तो somewhat it's not always mandatory, but I tried to make a stable balance step by step unless I am very much pretty sure. क्योंकि मैं भी 100% श्योर नहीं था कि मुझे इसी फील्ड में जाके सक्सेस मिलेगा भी या नहीं. तो यस, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट.
So Rahul, my second question to you is, what got you into this profession of sand art?
इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन. सो इसकी शुरुआत बहुत सिंपल हुई थी कि मेरे एक दोस्त ने मुझे चैलेंज कर दिया था और मुझे पहले से चुल बहुत जल्दी लग जाती है. अगर कोई मुझे ज़्यादा उंगली कर दे तो मुझे बहुत जल्दी उसको प्रूव करना होता है. सो आई एम लाइक दैट इन इवन नाउ आई एम लाइक दैट लिटिल बिट एंड आई थिंक वो चलेगा, थोड़ा बहुत सब लोगों में होना चाहिए. सो इट्स नॉट ईगो, इट्स बेसिकली काइंड ऑफ समबडी चैलेंजेस योर सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. तो उन्होंने मुझे चैलेंज किया था कि तू ये कर सकता है क्या कुछ आर्ट में ऐसा कुछ. तो देन आई स्टार्टेड ऑफ. And immediately when I did that, I sent couple of pictures and artworks to a show which was coming on Sony, which is called Entertainment के लिए कुछ भी करेगा, and I sent it up to them and they liked it. They said like, hey, did you do that? And I like, yeah, I just did that. So they called me up to Bombay at that time in train and I got selected to the show. I won that show and that was back in 2008 when there was no existence of sand art. So yes, that was a very memorable feeling for me to coming to Bombay, a small kid coming from Delhi all the way for the first time and just watching out of the window with all these dreams and everything.
There are actors, actresses, singers, dancers, and now you have given a different reputation to sand artists. What would you like to say about it?
Oh, that's amazing. So that's an interesting question. So yeah, earlier क्या होता था कि डांस के लिए अलग कंपटीशन शुरू हो रखे हैं, सिंगिंग के लिए बहुत सारे इंडियन आइडल शोज आ रहे हैं और अभी भी आप अगर इमेजिन करो आर्ट पेंटिंग हमें स्कूल में सबको सिखाई जाती है. हम सब ने बचपन में किया है लेकिन हमारे लिए कोई डेडिकेटेड एक सोर्स नहीं है. हमने किसी को देखा नहीं है कि यार मुझे ये बनना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ समबडी वांट्स इज अ गुड सिंगर, उनका एक लेवल रहता है कि यार मेरे को सोनू निगम बनने का है, मेरे को अरिजीत सिंह बनना है, फलाना एंड ऑल. सेम गोज फॉर डांसर्स एंड ऑल. बट इफ somebody tells you कि मेरे को आर्टिस्ट बनना, तो लाइक क्या बनना है? सो you don't know that big name in the industry जिन्होंने आर्ट और आर्टिस्ट इंडस्ट्री में इतना बड़ा नाम और इतने पॉपुलैरिटी अचीव करी हो, जो हर बच्चा बनना चाहता है, और वो कहीं ना कहीं somewhat reality shows and all these entertainment shows that somewhat just gives a little jazz it up all those things, तो वहीं से उसमें थोड़ा ग्लैमर एलिमेंट आता है. एंड आई थिंक मैंने और काफ़ी सारे और कलाकारों ने काफ़ी कोशिश करी है उसको एनहेंस करने की, ताकि ये जो फील्ड है ये भी थोड़ा एंटरटेनिंग उसमें आए, क्योंकि हमारा जो प्रोफेशन है वो इस बात पर ही टिका हुआ है कि वो कितना एंटरटेनिंग है. क्योंकि एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई डू लाइव शोज, आई डू वीडियोज, आई डू सैंड आर्ट इवेंट्स, so it should be entertaining even if it's just one single big picture.
So my fourth question to you is, after becoming sand artist, what was your best performance and where?
Oh, that's very easy one. So my best performance till date is gonna be hands down with Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, for Shah Rukh Khan, on the comedy night show on Colors TV. Hands down the best performance. I loved it. I did the SRK pose with Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, and that video got almost coverage in 24 news channels and newspapers, plus over 15 million views. That's the highest viewed sand art video of mine. So hands down, that's going to be my best experience.
So my fifth question to you is, what would you like to do or must have done for our nation?
Oh, so honestly, the two critical things which I really believe into and I still do is, number one, I do a lot of charity and NGO shows, and if somebody is watching, they can approach me and they know me in the industry. It's quite common that I don't charge that amount for for what I charge for a corporate show. I don't charge the same for NGO, or generally if that's a possibility, I sometimes do it for free, but that depends on what kind of a show it is, or it's a donation show. So yeah, that's one thing I've done for the nation.
So guys, let's start with our rapid fire session. So Rahul, my first rapid question to you is, one best place you love to perform, India or abroad?
It's very simple guys, it's India any day, because बहुत कुछ दिया है इंडिया ने. एंड सेकंड रीजन इज क्योंकि यहाँ पे अभी भी बहुत सारी ऐसी जगह हैं जो मुझे देखनी है, घूमनी है, इन माई टू डू लिस्ट. सो आफ्टर द लॉकडाउन आई एम डेफिनेटली गोना मेक श्योर एंड विजिट दोज प्लेसेस. सो यस, इंडिया. एंड इफ यू आस्क outside India, then definitely I would love to go Europe every time for any event, because that's my second favorite destination, especially Netherlands and France.
So my second question to you is, if not sand artist, then engineer or teacher?
I would definitely pick a teacher, because मेरा बचपन से एक fascination है about teaching profession. Especially I want to be a art teacher. If that's, I don't know if I'm qualified for that, but if some school is listening, please hire me as a art teacher. I'm pretty good at arts.
My third question, favorite celebrity sand art, Shah Rukh Khan or Sachin Tendulkar?
Tendulkar. Oh, that's difficult one. Oh God, I don't know how would I answer that. क्योंकि दोनों ही मेरे बहुत favorite हैं, and I've met both of them. I personally met them several occasions. It's difficult one. So I would have to pick Shah Rukh Khan, because he comes from Delhi. That's why, and I'm fortunate to meet Sachin sir as well, and I'm very much glad that Shah Rukh Khan and Sachin Tendulkar knows me by my name. That's like a big achievement for me.
So Rahul, what are you most proud of?
Okay, this is gonna be a little cliche, but it's such है. Genuinely, I'm very much proud of my mom, क्योंकि मेरी माँ अभी भी जॉब करते हैं, अपना काम खुद करते हैं, अपना सारा expenses and everything. She's been a very from childhood, I know she's a very self-dependent woman, so I'm very much proud of my mom. So I love you, mom.
So Rahul, we would like you to give a task, and the task is tongue twister. It is very easy. You just have to say kacha papad pakka papad.
Oh, it's like bachpan wala yaar, ye to kacha papad pakka papad. So I can do that. Okay, 5 times. कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, 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 कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़. 5 हुआ ना?
So guys, Rahul Arya has made something very special which he would like to share with us. So here's a small video for you all.
Thank you so much, guys, for loving and supporting me. And please stay safe. Take good care of your family and your health as well. Rahul Arya signing off.
Thank you so much, Rahul Arya, for sharing your valuable time with us. So guys, I'll see you in the next week with another celebrity. Till then, stay safe.